Hi friends, welcome back to Pro Trader Chris channel. So today I just want to give levels, my levels on Nifty and Bank Nifty right away. So we all know that actually we are waiting for a correction and it just started. Okay, so I just want all the retail traders and investors, and especially the investors who just wanted to begin their investments, so stay away from the market for the next at least 1 week, 3 days, something around 8 days from here on. So till the Feb first week you just don't enter into the market, because it's not just about volatility and all that. It's about brutality. The algo trading will be at its peak, because if you see, right, I'm just giving these levels after I have gone through lot of testing. So I'm just putting the levels here, see here. So the 13,780 range, I'm not giving the exact figure there, 13,780 range. So here if you see, right, the bears are just killing day by day. So people might think that it will stop around this 13,800 range. It will be great. If it stops here it will be very good, but I don't think so that it will stop exactly at that location, but it might come down bit deeper inside and will test at least a minimum 13,300 to 500 range. So this will be a key support. So 13,400, and again this is the main support. So I'm just putting here the horizontal lines, the support lines, but don't think that exactly at that particular location only the price will stop. Understand? So these are the coming supports. So if the price comes deep inside these three levels, first thing is 13,800, I mean to say 13,780, and the next level is here 13,350 to 450, and the final strongest support. If the price falls in the next 2 days itself, in the next 2 days only, or at least Feb 1st, that is a budget day. So if it falls here, it will be a very good opportunity for the new entrants, not the already existing investors who are holding their stock. So let me put that average as well, so that you can watch these levels. So I'm just putting here 50 period moving average. See here. So definitely this 50 period moving average, simple moving average, I just placed on this chart. Nifty, this is not a future stock, F&O stock, this is index. I mean to say this is not a contract. This is not the current month's contract. This is spot price, and definitely this moving average, if you see, right, it's gonna give some kind of a emotional support to Nifty in the coming 2 days mostly. So we are in the daily time frame. So think that once this got breached, this 50 period moving average got breached, right, don't try to buy index, especially this Nifty. Try to sell on every rise, try to sell till this 13,200 or 13,140 levels, till these levels, because definitely it will come deeper inside, that's for sure, because there must be a correction, and it has to happen at some point of time. If you draw any trend lines or whatever, if you follow Ichimoku, if you follow pivot levels, if you follow Fibonacci, all these also will drag you to these levels only. At some point of time the price will come down to make sure that take off all the weak hands, those who are holding since long time in all the stocks, especially in the Nifty 50 frontline stocks and large caps. So everything will correct in the coming week. Already we have seen a correction here, so mark these levels and just watch this 50 period moving average and do exactly the good thing, okay, the good side, which will keep your portfolio on the safest side. Okay, so I cannot say that you have to buy here or you have to sell here, but whichever is good thing for your portfolio, so do it. And there will be n number of opportunities which will be coming in the after 15th, and the market will remain there itself. So but instead of losing your fund and at a peak level and keep on averaging that particular stocks or even Nifty levels, is not that good. Okay, and let's get to the Bank Nifty. And here we got the confirmation, because I didn't change anything. The 50 period moving average is breached by Bank Nifty. You can see here, right? And again I placed pivot levels also. It is trading as of now below the monthly pivot. If you see 30,583 is the pivot level, right? It got breached, and this is daily time frame, and there is some good confirmation. And tomorrow anything below this, it gonna target the next support level, that is 29,657, which is under. So there is no stopping till that point of time, and we might see a gap down also tomorrow in Bank Nifty if possible, to fill this immediate gap here. There is a gap, so 29,871 will be the good support tomorrow, initial support. If it get taken out, the next support will be 29,657. so bearishness is confirmed. Only saving grace is if something too damn good news comes in about any large cap stock, something like Reliance, TCS, Infosys or Titan or any big stocks. Okay, if only they hold, then only the market will reverse. Especially in Bank Nifty, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank, SBI, these stocks should perform tomorrow and day after tomorrow to pull back Bank Nifty to 31,300 levels. But as of today, also if we see the support, right, there is no support. Tomorrow there is support. Tomorrow 29,870 and 29,650 will be the supports. So tomorrow we can expect a bearish day again. And going further, right, if it breaches, if tomorrow also we see a red candle, a daily candle, red strong candle, we gonna see some kind of a good collapse. I mean to say collapse in the sense we gonna see some 27,000 levels also, it's for sure. Okay, and I'll be keep updating you guys with some very good valid information, but I'm not going to give you the exact levels to trade, because I'm not here to give you the tips. I just want to share my view on Bank Nifty and Nifty. Thanks guys, thank you.